Hello, my name is Ayush Bhatt and I am part of the JL24 batch of the Hybrid PGDM program. I am currently in my second semester and I had enrolled for the 2-day Experiential Learning program. Before coming for the program, I was not aware of what will be covered in this program or what we will be going through. The only thing that we had been told was that there would be no lectures and it would be all taught through games. At the end of the 2-day program, I can say that I am extremely satisfied with whatever that has been taught to us, and the way of learning is not a very conventional way. It was everything was done through games. We played the games, and after that we had a session where we sat down and discussed the pros and cons of everything that we did. So I feel like it was a not so traditional way of learning, but it helped us a lot in terms of the amount of things that we learned over a period of 2 days.
Dr. Abhiram Kasbe. I'm professor in community medicine at Topiwala National Medical College and has a career of teacher of 34 years. I have enrolled for a hybrid program in healthcare management MBA in Welingkar. This is second workshop I have attended. I think this is going to be enlightening and informative session which I may even incorporate in my personal life and in my teaching in medical college. I am really obliged to my mentors and my team participants for giving me this opportunity to interact and learn from everyone who was part of this session. Thank you.